Welcome back to the Kali Linux Ethical Hacking series. In today's video, we'll look at the best cheap Wi-Fi adapters for Kali Linux that support monitor mode and packet injection. This will help beginners choose the right adapter for wireless security testing without wasting money. Now, let's jump into the video. Monitor mode lets the Wi-Fi adapter listen to nearby wireless traffic. Packet injection lets it send test packets into the network. These features are important because wireless testing needs both listening and active response. Without monitor mode and packet injection, an adapter may work for internet, but not for Kali Linux wireless auditing. Let's start with the best high-end option, and by the end of the video, we'll see which one is the best budget-friendly. The first Wi-Fi adapter we are going to explain is the Alpha Network AWS-036ACH. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi with AC 1.0 speed, comes with 2 high-gain detachable antennas, and is well known for long-range performance and Kali Linux monitor mode support. The price usually ranges from around $40 to $65 USD depending on the seller and package. The next Wi-Fi adapter we are going to explain is the Alpha Network AWS-036ACH. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi, comes with 2 detachable high-gain antennas, and delivers strong long-range wireless performance. This adapter is well known for Kali Linux monitor mode and packet injection support, making it a popular choice for ethical hacking and Wi-Fi security testing. The price usually ranges from around $45 to $70 USD depending on the seller and package. Finally, we'll look at the TP-Link TLWN722N, a low-cost and reliable Wi-Fi adapter priced at around $13 to $20, and it's basically plug-and-play for Kali Linux with no additional drivers needed. My honest recommendation is this: if you're new to Kali Linux Wi-Fi testing, go for the TP-Link TLWN722N V1. Here, V1 means version 1 of the adapter hardware, and it's the specific revision most people refer to for better Kali Linux compatibility. If you're more experienced and need better range plus 5 GHz support, then go for the Alpha AWS-036ACH.